The quality score is one of the most important metrics in Google Ads, and most beginners completely ignore it. If your quality score is low, you will pay more and you will get worse results. Hi, I'm Jasmin, and in this video I show you what a quality score really is and how beginners can improve it step by step. Before I'm going to explain the quality score in a simple way, I want to show you where you can find an explanation about many Google Ads topics. So basically, Google Ads now has an AI agent which answers your questions. So you can, for example, look for what is the quality score. You can type the question here, and then Google will do the search for you. So here you can see what is the quality score. A higher quality score indicates that your ad and landing page are more relevant and useful to users searching for your keyword. And here you can see which factors affect the quality score. You have more possibilities. You can directly check how is the quality score calculated, why is it so important, and how you can really improve your quality score. I will post a link to this Google Ads help into the video description. Now I'm going to explain what you just read a little bit more simple. The quality score is Google's rating of how relevant and useful your ad is for a specific search. It's shown on a scale from 1 to 10. 1 to 3 means a poor quality score, 4 to 6 is average, and 7 to 10 is a good quality score. The important thing, you cannot manually set the quality score, so Google calculates it automatically based on your performance signals. Why the quality score is so important? The quality score directly affects two things. First of all, how much you pay per click. A higher quality score means a lower CPC, like a lower cost per click, and a lower quality score means a higher CPC. And second, it affects how visible your ads are. A better quality score means higher ad positions. So small businesses with a small ads budget but a high quality score can still rank higher than huge competitors. But if you want to know more about the Google Ads auction and how Google calculates your ad rank, you can check out my previous video where I explain everything in detail. So this video is linked here. There are three main factors that affect the quality score. First of all, the expected click-through rate. How likely users will click your ad. So if people click your ad often, Google sees it as relevant and the quality score increases. If people ignore your ads, your quality score decreases. And then second, the ad relevance. How well your ad matches the intent behind the user search, and as well how well your ad is matching with your targeted keywords. Then third, the landing page experience. How relevant and useful your landing page is to people who click your ad. So Google looks at the following things. Is the page relevant to the keyword? Is it clear and easy to understand? And is it fast and mobile friendly? So a simple rule, the landing page should continue what the ad already promised. So now I'm going to explain you how you can improve the quality score in simple steps. So step 1, use tight ad groups. One ad group should contain a clear topic and related keywords. Don't mix different topics into one ad group. And once you separate the topics, this improves actually your relevance immediately. Step 2, match keywords, ads, and pages. So keywords should appear in the ad headline and on the landing page. For example, you include the keyword online fitness coach in your campaign. So an ad copy with the headline online fitness coach start today would be good because the keyword online fitness coach is appearing in your headline. And as well, the landing page should show this keyword as well. As a third step, you can improve your CTR with clear messaging. You don't need a fancy ad copy. You should fill your ad with clear benefits, simple language, and relevance. You should tell the user exactly what you offer. So clarity definitely beats creativity. Then number 4, send traffic to the right page. Don't send traffic to your homepage. For example, if you're an e-commerce shop and you sell different products, if you have a shoe ad, don't send to the general homepage. Send the traffic to the shoe category page or to a specific landing page designed only for shoes. And last but not least, use assets like the ad extensions. Use site links, callouts, and snippets to increase the visibility and the click-through rate of your ad. With adding these extensions, you make your ad bigger, so the user more likely sees your ad. I have one simple rule to remember. Ask yourself, does my ad perfectly answer what a user searched for? If yes, the quality score improves. If no, fix the relevance. So now I'm going to show you where you can find your quality score in Google Ads. You have to go under Audience, Keywords and Content. Click on that. Then under Keywords. So this campaign already ended, but it's perfect to explain you how you see your quality score. So here you see all the keywords. You click on Columns, Modify Columns, and here down there, you have the quality score. So we can choose that as well. We can choose that and the landing page experience. Let's check and do apply. And now we see the quality score for each keyword we were using. So here you can see 7 to 10. The quality score is good. And here you can see the quality score. It's like a 6 out of 10. It's like average. And the ad relevance, you can see it's basically above average. And here you find the landing page experience. You see that it's everywhere below average. So it means in this case, you would have to fix your landing page first. That's the first step you do. You have to organize your landing page to be more relevant, more user-friendly, like that it's a better landing page experience. If this video helped you to understand what is the quality score and how you can improve it, feel free to subscribe for weekly beginner-friendly tutorials. I explain everything as simple as possible.